Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Yesterday we have begun trigonometry of first year, trigonometry, and especially I gave you the idea about angles. What is the definition of angle and what are the different systems? And especially, as I told, the importance given to the angle measurement in one of the system, which is nothing but circular system, also known as radian measure. So you may recall, no? So what do you mean by one radian? It is an angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to a radius of the same circle. Okay. Shall we continue then? Today just okay, I am going to prove that a radian cannot vary. Means a radian or one radian, it is a constant angle. Radian is a constant angle. Radian, okay, just in the heading now. Radian, it is not depending on the size of a circle and the head. So that's what we are going to prove today. Just a radian is a constant angle. Chances are that the question may be found in the question paper for 3 marks. Prove that a radian is a constant angle. So this, please listen to me carefully. I'll just give you the proof. How we can prove that a radian is a constant angle? Radian is a constant angle. Radian is a constant angle. Radian ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೋನ ಉಂಟಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ಸ್ಥಿರವಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವುದು ಸ್ಥಿರ ಕೋನ. So this how to prove that radian is a constant angle. So for that what I do is let me take the center, let me take the radius, let this length be the radius, let me take the center and let me draw the circle. Let me draw the circle with the center at the origin and radius r. So this is the center, I call this is origin, and I take some point here A. So I call this as what? Radius. Let radius be what? R. Let radius of the circle be r. And just okay, you are supposed to find the arc length of a circle. So just okay, I take the arc length of the circle is same as the radius of the circle. Arc length is same as what? Radius of the circle. So the radius of the circle is here, no? This is r. And from this point, I call this point as B. From this point, let me join the center of the circle. So, dear friends, can you tell me what is this angle? What is this angle? This angle is 1 radian. You know the notation for radian. This is 1 radian. What is this length? This length is nothing but what? A radius of the same circle. So how to prove that this angle is constant angle? Idu sthira anta hege sadhisodu? How do you prove that this angle is a constant angle? For that you have to remember a standard results regarding a circle and the angle at the center. That is the number today. You ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾದ್ದು a standard result. It is nothing but angle at the center. ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಕೋನವು ಅದರ ಕಂಸದ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಾನುಪಾತದಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತದೆ. The angle at the center is proportional to arc length. So this is the standard result which you are going to use. The angle at center is proportional. Just we denote like this. Proportional. Samanupata. Proportional to what? Arc length. The corresponding arc length. ಆಯಾಯ ಕಂಸದ ಉದ್ದವು ಆ ಕೋನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ಕೋನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಾನುಪಾತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So this is the standard result. Now just I would like to ask you one question. What will be the arc length when you take an angle which is one circle? One circle this is also known as one revolution. ಇದು ಒಂದು revolution, ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತು. One revolution is one round. This angle is known as one revolution. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ. But normally it is one revolution. So ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Is there any changes? Whether the one revolution is a fixed angle, do you agree with me? Of course. So this angle, this angle, one revolution. It won't change. Therefore, one revolution is a fixed angle. Now, just corresponding to this angle, what is the arc length? This is the arc length. Illinda start agi, just only starting from A, once again coming back to A, one round. It is known as corresponding arc length. The corresponding arc length will be nothing but one circumference. This is what you call circumference of the circle. Paridhiya udda. Vrattada paridhi. Therefore, I can take here, using this angle at the center is proportional to arc length. We have one revolution. One revolution is proportional to circumference. One revolution is proportional to what? Circumference. ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಾನುಪಾತದಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತದೆ? ಪರಿಧಿ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ವೃತ್ತದ ಪರಿಧಿಗೆ ಸಮಾನುಪಾತದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Similarly, one radian. One radian is this. This is one radian. It is proportional to this. What is that? One radian is proportional to r. Okay, so let me write once again. One revolution, I'll write like this. Okay, one revolution. Notes notation proportional to what is circumference of a circle. Paridhiya udda ಎಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? You know the circumference of a circle. It is 2 pi r. Are you familiar with? Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. One revolution is proportional to 2 pi r. One radian is proportional to r. Suppose if we have A is proportional to B, C is proportional to D. So this we have studied earlier. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂಚಿನ ಇದು ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ರೆ A ಯು B ಗೆ ಸಮಾನುಪಾತದಲ್ಲಿ, C ಯು D ಗೆ ಸಮಾನುಪಾತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ you can write A divided by C is equal to B divided by D. So this one, A is proportional to B, C is proportional to D, implies A by C is equal to what? B by D. Or you may write even C by A, it is equal to D by D. Now we have one revolution is proportional to this one, A is proportional to B, C is proportional to D. You can write C by A, means I write one radian divided by one revolution is equal to, what do you expect here? It is R divided by 2 pi. So what do you suggest here? I can cancel R. It is 1 divided by 2 pi. So therefore I may write here 1 radian is equal to, 1 radian is equal to what? Carrying this to the other side, 1 revolution divided by, sorry, 1 radian is equal to 1 revolution divided by 2 pi. Do you know that pi is a constant? Pi is a constant. What about 1 revolution? So it is also a constant. Therefore, this is a constant. This also is a constant. Therefore, no doubt, constant divided by constant is nothing but what? Constant. For what we have put? 1 radian is a constant angle. So 1 radian is a constant angle. And what is that constant angle? It is 1 revolution divided by 2 pi. 1 radian is equal to 1 revolution divided by 2 pi. Okay. So now this I will continue from here. You have 1 radian is equal to 1 revolution divided by 2 pi. And you are familiar with one of the system of measuring angle, that is nothing but radian measure. And the other system of measuring angle, it is sexagesimal, we call it degree measure. What is 1 revolution? ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋನ? ಸೊ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. It is 360 degree divided by 2 pi. ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 360 degree divided by 2 pi. So what can be done here? 360 even number cancels here. It is 180. 180 degree. The degree will remain divided by pi. Therefore 1 radian, it is 180 degree divided by pi is the value. I cross multiply. Therefore I can write here pi into 1 radian is equal to 180 degree. You know, pi into 1 radian is pi radians. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. This is very, very important formula where it gives you the relation between radian measure and degree measure. Because just we have a pi radian is always equal to what? 180 degree. This has to be committed to memory. ಇದನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕಾಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋಪಾನವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So ಈಗ ಒಂದು radian ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, suppose if you want 1 radian, I can write 1 radian using the same thing. It is 180 degree divided by pi and the you know, pi is approximately equal to 22 divided by 7. Pi, this we have studied earlier. In high school, pi is 22 by 7. Therefore, I may write it is 180 degree into 7 cross multiply divided by. So I just keeping this one as an exercise for you. Please just do the calculation here. You can just further divide this one by 2. So we expect here 90 into 90 degree into 7 divided by 11. Just convert this one into degrees, minutes and seconds. We get this is approximately equal to 57 degree, and just we get here maybe 12 minutes 27 seconds in degrees. Therefore just 1 radian in degrees approximately 57 degree 12 minutes 27 seconds. This may not be asked in examination, but okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕಾಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋಪಾನವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So please commit this to memory. Try to remember what is 1 radian. Okay, next we will continue with the problems of converting angles of one system into other system. ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಧತಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನು, ಕೋನವನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪದ್ಧತಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? How to convert degrees into radian and radian into degrees. How to convert degrees into radian and radian into degrees. We shall just discuss about it. And just you may refer to our notes. There are some standard angles which are given, where you are given idea about how to convert some of the standard angles into radians. Degrees into radian as well as radians into degrees. Okay, degrees into radian as well as radians into degrees. How one can convert one system into other system. Okay, so we'll begin with conversion of angle. Let me write conversion. Okay, so let me begin with, you have pi radian. So pi radian, it's same as what? 180 degree. Pi radian is same as what? 180 degree. Suppose if you are given an angle in radians, to convert into degrees, radian ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಕೋನವನ್ನು ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಗೆ ಪರಿವರ್ತಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? I assume the angle given in degrees is theta. Theta radian is equal to how much degree? So we have studied about this one, how we can get the value for this question mark. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. We expect to multiply this one and divide by this. Gives you this. Actually, this implies question mark is equal to this into this. It is nothing but theta into 180 degree divided by what? Pi radian. theta radian. I mentioned theta radian divided by pi radian. Radian by radian, the unit will get cancelled. What unit will remain? ಯಾವ unit ಯಾವ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತದೆ? Radian cancel decrease. Therefore, this is how we can write. Question mark represent an angle. Question mark ಏನನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸುತ್ತದೆ? ಕೋನವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸುತ್ತದೆ, which is in degrees. So just further let me write this theta, given angle in radian, you multiply with 180 divided by pi. To convert angle in degrees into radians, radians into degrees. To convert radians into degrees, you have to multiply the given angle by 180 by pi. Pi is approximately 22 by 7. Agate ide. Okay, so this is the thing. Similarly, how to convert degrees into radian? Degrees into radian, how to convert it? So first let me write 180 degree. Sorry, 180 degree is same as pi radian. Okay. Now this question comes. Suppose if the angle given is in degrees, what will be its equivalent radian? This is radian and the same thing. I write here question mark by cross multiply. It is theta into pi radian divided by 180. Here this is given in degrees. This also is in degrees. Therefore, the degree unit will get cancelled. Therefore, what remains? It is theta into pi divided by 180. Is what? Radians. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೋನ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದನ್ನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ pi by 180 ಎಂದು ಗುಣಿಸಿದರೆ, if you multiply by pi by 180, you get that angle in radians. To get the angle in degrees, multiply that given angle which is in radian by 180 by pi. 180 by pi ಎಂದು ಗುಣಿಸುವಾಗ radian ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So similarly, to convert degrees into radian, okay, we shall discuss simple examples which have been given in exam. This one what you call notes. In your notes, few cases have been given. So just we shall discuss them. First one is convert the following into radians. ನಮಗೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ familiar ಇದೆ. You are familiar with the degree angle measurement. How to convert those degrees into radian? We should discuss about that. The very first question which has been given, first example which has been given in the notes, it is 15 degree. Dear students, I'll just give you the idea how to convert degrees or the angles given in degrees which are multiples of 15. 15ರ ಗುಣಾಕಾರ 1 times 15, 2 times 15, 3 times 15. Okay, just but before that I will give you 0 degree. 0 degree is same as 0 radian. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ? Because see 0 degree ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ it is 0 into pi divided by 180. What is 0 divided by 0? What is 0 divided by anything? 0. Therefore 0 degree it is same as 0 radian. There is no problem at all. Or 0 radian is equal to 0 degree. There is no problem. Now I will begin with 15 degree. 15 degree, it is 15 into, as I have already told, degrees to convert into radian. Whatever angle is there in degrees, you multiply by pi by 180. E ಕೋನಕ್ಕೆ you multiply by pi by 180. ಇಲ್ಲಿ degree cancel ಆಯಿತು. Not necessary to mention. We know that 5 3s are 15 and here 5 36 are. Correct, no? Here 3, here 36. Further it can be cancelled. What is 3 ones? 3 12 times. Therefore I may write here, this is pi divided by 12 because 3 ones, 3 12 times. Pi by 12. What is the unit here? What is that unit? It is radian. Therefore, please all of you remember that 15 degree is same as pi by 12 radian. What is 15 degree? It is pi by 12 radians. Okay. So similarly, second one, I told I will tell you only about multiples of 15. 1 is 15, 15. 2 times 15, 30. 3 times 15, 45. 4 times 60. 5 times 75. 6 times 90. Okay. 2 times 30. Alright, this is 30 degree. As I told, whatever degree measure is there, multiply by pi by 180. So this into pi divided by 1. 0, 0 will cancel. 3 ones, 3, 6. And this is when pi is there, divided by 6. It is 2 times 15, therefore you may recall like this. It is 2 times pi by 12. 15 is pi by 12. So you will 2, 6. This would be better. I mean, NP2 Sulabala. And the conversion model he can remember. Whenever you have to convert the degrees into radian, you have to get it done like this one. Okay. What is 30 degree? In future, you have to remember. You will repeat number of times. 30 degree, it is pi by 6 radians. See, what is 45? It is 45 into pi by 1. Degree, it cancel here radian. 45. First, okay, you can cancel by 5, or just you can cancel by 45 directly. 45 2s are 90, 45 4s are 180. Just I can directly cancel it once. It is 4 times. Therefore, what do you expect here? It is pi divided by 4 radians. So please comment this to memory. 45 degree, if you are asked to convert it to radians, it is pi by 4 radians. Pi divided by 4 radians. Let me continue here. It is 3 times 15, 45 means. It is 3 times pi by 12. 3 ones are, 3 fours are, pi by 4. Okay, next I will continue with 60 degree. 60 degree, it is 60 degree into pi divided by 180. So what do you expect here? So this is the number 6 6 ones are 6 threes are. It is pi by 3 radians. 60 degree is pi by 3. 60 degree is pi by 3 radians. 60 degree means 4 times. 4 times pi by 12. 4 ones are, 4 threes are 12. Pi by 3 radians. E 75 degree. 75 degree, it is 75 into pi by 1. 15 fives are again. 15 fives are 15 plus are, as we have already discussed. It is 5 times 15. 5 times pi by 12. 5 times pi by 12 radians. Take your own time, but commit this to memory. ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕಾಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋಪಾನವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜಿ ಸರಿ ಎಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಲಂಬಕೋನ. ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 90 ಇಂಟು pi by 180. 91s are 92s are 180. It is pi by 2. Actually, one straight angle, it is pi radians. Half straight angle, which is right angle, it is pi by 2 radians. It's very easy to remember. Okay, even the other angles which are given may be 120 degree. Correct? This one of the other angles given we have to see. Okay. What is 120 degree? Just please tell me what is 120 degree in radian? 120 degree in radian by just converting into what? What do you expect here? Tell me. It is 120 into pi divided by 180. Let me cancel here 0, 0. 12, 6 2s are 6 3s are. Therefore, we expect here 2 pi divided by 3 radians. Or 120 is 2 times 60. 2 times pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. Or suppose if I give you another like h. Alone 135 degree. 135 degree is 135 into pi divided by 1. So what do you expect here? 135 degree. Actually 135 degree. It is how many times 15 degree? How many times 15 degree? This can you recall? 135 degree. It is 7 times, no? 7 or more. 9 times 15 degree. That doesn't matter. What do? You cancel with 15 first. 15 9s are 15 12s are. Further you can cancel by 3 3s are 4s are. It is 3 pi by 4 radians. Correct? Yeah. So these are the few cases which have been discussed in your notes book. I have highlighted. Similarly, you must be in a position to tell what is 240 degree. You tell me practice my 240 degree, 270 degree, 300 degree, 330 degree, 330. Tell me practice my. You'll get the simple answer for this. Okay. Next, okay, the notes that are given how to get 1 radian in degrees. I put a notes put there, but I won't repeat. But already now highlight my there. Please go through the notes and try to understand. It is 57 degree. How many minutes and how many seconds? The approximate values which have been given in the notes by taking the value for pi. By taking the value for pi is 3.14 is given as 57 degree and 16 minutes 22 seconds by taking the value for pi approximate. But still it is not accurate. So we shall continue with the one more derivation. Dear students, please be alert. I will continue with the next derivation in angles. It is nothing but the first unit, arc length. How to find the length of the arc? Kamsada Uddam. How to find the length of the arc? See, for that what I do? Let me draw a circle with the center and origin and radius r. Let me draw a circle with the center and origin and radius r. Center and origin and radius r. Draw a circle with the center and origin and radius r. I hope you like this circle, no? Because it looks like circle. If I don't use that one, so it may look like sometimes buns or motivated. Okay, so we have a circle with the center and origin. So let me take a point somewhere here, A. Let me join OA. I take this as R. Now I have to find the length of the arc. Length of the arc is not same as R here. It may be something else. So let me take a shorter one. I take this point as B. Of course, this is not going to cut into R. If you take a point B here or anywhere, it may vary. Arc length may vary. Let me assume that. So let me take this arc length. It comes to the other S. L. Notes notation for arc length. I think for arc length, the notation which is given is L. I'll assume that this is L. This arc length, let it be L. I'll just join that point B with the center. Okay. Now just after this whole item, I assume the angle at the center, E cone I assume this is theta, some angle. Angle theta. That angle radian. That angle must be given in radian. So then only you can find the value for L. Comes to the final part. You find the length of the arc L. That should be the angle at the center should be in radian. Okay. Now just let me write the heading. The length of arc of a circle with the radius r, angle at the center, okay, and angle at the center, angle at the center, theta radian, is given by L is equal to r theta. Of course, I take the length of the arc. Yeah, the length of the arc is given by what? Yeah, is given by L is equal to r theta, provided theta is in which measurement, which system? Radian. Okay, so then we have L is equal to what? R theta is the formula. So just let me derive this formula. This sutra ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. Just you refer the diagram. ಈ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. What do you expect? Please tell me what do you expect. We expect, as we have already discussed, I just go into the discussion. Arc length is proportional to angle at the center. Arc length is proportional to what? Angle at the center. Now let me take the whole arc length, the whole circumference. Therefore we have one circumference, or else let me take, okay, that arc length L is proportional to angle at the center. What is the angle at the center? Theta. Right. Arc length is proportional to angle at the center. And I can take another relation. It is circumference proportional to one revolution. Alright, circumference is 2 pi r. ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಡೀ ಪರಿಧಿಯ ಉದ್ದ ಎಷ್ಟು? ವೃತ್ತದ ಪರಿಧಿಯ ಉದ್ದ 2 pi r. It is proportional to what is one revolution? 360 degree, but you should not take it in degrees. 2 pi radians. 2 pi r is proportional to 2 pi radian. L is proportional to theta. A is proportional to B. C is proportional to D. Which further implies L divided by 2 pi r is same as theta divided by 2 pi. So do you agree with that 2 pi on both the sides get cancelled? R you carry to the other side. What do you get? R L is equal to R theta. Provided that theta is given in what? Radians. Radian ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, tell that okay, you can't find the circle what you call arc length. Arc length find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಆದರೆ ಮೊದಲು that angle should be converted into radians. That's what we have discussed earlier. I hope all of you understood it properly. What's the formula to find the length of the arc? L is equal to r theta. The length of the arc is given by what? L is equal to r theta. This is the other formula to be committed to memory. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಥರೋ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ. Therefore L is equal to r theta is the formula to find the length of the arc. ಕಂಸದ ಉದ್ದ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೂತ್ರವನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ. So I'll just continue with one more derivation. It is nothing but area of the sector. Area of sector. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆರೈವೇಶನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಾಂತರ ತ್ರಿಜ್ಯದ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಏನೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಇದರ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ sectorial area. The area of a sector. The area of a sector is given with the formula capital A. Capital A is equal to 1 by 2 r square theta. This is the formula. What is the formula to find the area of a sector? Just the area of a sector I denote it by capital A. Capital A is given by what? Half 1 by 2 r square theta. Here also theta is in what? Theta should be given in radians. That is must. If theta is given in degrees, first we convert it to radians and then find the area of the sector. Okay, ಇದು ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ just I'll tell you why that area of the sector is given with this formula half r square theta. Please listen to me. Actually, as I told, angle at the center is proportional to arc length. Similarly, we have one more relation. Angle at the center is proportional to area of the sector. Angle at the center is proportional to area of the sector. Suppose if I take the area of the sector is delta, this is the A ಮತ್ತು ಅದು A cancel ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ confusion ಆಗುತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು delta. So let me take the area of the sector is delta. Angle at the center is theta, so let theta is proportional to delta ಅಥವಾ capital A. Okay, capital A ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So theta is proportional to delta. Now similarly, we have the total revolution, one revolution is proportional to the total circle, area of circle. ನೋಡಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒಂದು ರಿವಾಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಸಮಾನವಾದ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Therefore we can write here one revolution is what? 2 pi radians. Here this should be radians. Proportional to area of the circle. What is the area of the circle? Pi r square. This was taught in the high school. What is the area of the sector? Pi r square. Mensuration, one of the topic. 2 pi radian is proportional to pi r square. Vistirna pi r square. This is proportional to this. This is proportional to this. Therefore, can I write this divided by this? Is same as this divided by this. It is theta divided by what? This is radian, this is also radian. Get cancel. Now I can cancel this pi, but 1 by 2 is there. I can cross multiply. Therefore, we have delta is equal to 1 by 2 theta cross multiply. So that delta can be replaced by A. So A is equal to half r square theta. This is the formula. What is the formula to find the area of a sector? The area of a sector of a circle is given with the A is equal to half r square theta. So therefore, area of the sector is given by what? Half r square theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು? theta should be in radians. ಈಗ ಈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತರವಾದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಲಿತಂತ ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೆಗಳು, ಎರಡು ಸೂತ್ರಗಳು. ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಕ್ ಲೆಂತ್, the other one is area of a sector. Area of a sector ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವ ನೋಡಿ? ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ a sector. Suppose if you just draw another circle. Let me draw a circle here. Let me take this as a circle. Center is here. Suppose if I take 2 radii, okay, just one is this one, the other one is this one, something like that. I'll take this is A, this one is B or PQ, whatever. Let me assume that this angle is theta radians. And then what is the area of the total area of the circle? This one. What is this? This area A is given by what? R square theta. Suppose if it is alpha, then R square alpha, where alpha should be given in what? A radian. Then only the area of the sector, it is half R square into angle. Sorry, so I think with this we will wind up. ಇವತ್ತು yes ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೆ next class ಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? You have to revise what all the things has been done today, and as well as few angles which are given in degrees must be converted into radians or radians into degree. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, radians into degree ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು opposite direction. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕೆಲವು ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. 6 radians into degrees ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 6 radians into degrees ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So those are some additional problems are there. So just please revise it in the homework book. You have already written in the notes, but still you have to revise it without referring the notes in the homework book. If you have difficulty, then only you refer the notes. Are you clear? So just okay, please, dear students, trigonometry, as I told, is one of the important units. But just whatever we discuss here are important, and if you still have some doubts, please let me know. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.